In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own presets and LUTs in Darktable to speed up your editing workflow. If you're looking to streamline your editing process and achieve consistent results across your photography projects, this guide will be immensely helpful. Let's dive right in and explore how to make this happen effortlessly. First, open a photo in the Darktable's Darkroom view. This is where all the magic begins. The Darkroom view is essentially your workspace where you can apply various adjustments to your images to bring them closer to your creative vision. Take your time here to make all the necessary adjustments. This might include tweaking the exposure, adjusting the contrast, or playing with the color balance, whatever suits your artistic intention for the image. The idea is to get the photo looking just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, look for the module menu, which is conveniently represented by 3 horizontal lines on the module you've just tweaked. Clicking on this will offer you several options, and what you'll want to do is select Create New Style. This is a crucial step as it allows you to save your current adjustments into a preset, which can be applied to future photos with just a click. When you create a new style, you'll need to give it a name. Picking a descriptive name is beneficial because it will help you easily identify this preset later. Along with naming it, you'll have the option to choose which specific modules you want to include. This flexibility helps in tailoring the preset to meet your unique requirements, whether you want it to cover only certain adjustments or encompass a broader range of changes. Once you're happy with your settings, save it as a preset. But that's not all. If you're interested in transforming these adjustments into a LUT, Darktable makes this easy as well. Navigate your way to the Color Lookup Table module. Here you'll find an option to export current adjustments as LUT. What this does is essentially take the visual adjustments applied to the image and encodes them into a lookup table, which can be applied to other photos or even across different editing software. After exporting, make sure to save the LUT file to your computer. This will ensure you have it readily available for future projects. Using the LUT module, you can apply it to another photo. This is especially useful for maintaining a consistent aesthetic across multiple images or even entire photo shoots. And that's how you create both presets and LUTs in Darktable, all set to enhance the efficiency and consistency of your photo editing. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well on your way to achieving professional and cohesive results with ease.